The AI presentation tool used by over 4 million professionals at companies like Adobe just released a free version. Oh, this is good. I'm going to show you exactly what it can do. I'm Pallen. On this channel, I share practical tools and strategies to help you build a stronger brand and work smarter. Today, I'm partnering with Templafy. I want to be upfront. This is a tool I think is totally worth your time. Here's the story. Templafy has spent years building an AI document platform for large enterprises. Over 4 million professionals use it daily. Adobe reps cut their presentation build time by 72% with it.
65% of our sellers' time is spent on administrative tasks. We learned about Templafy, and after we ran the pilot, the results were actually that they saved 72% of their time building presentations.
BDO Canada, this country I'm from, saved $1.65 million in a single year. So this is not a lightweight tool. And this is what's exciting for you. They made a version of it for free that anyone can use, and I'm gonna walk through the full platform today using a demo account so you can see exactly what it is before you try it for yourself. So let's get into it. The core thing Templafy does, and the thing that makes it different from every other AI presentation tool that I've seen and tried, is that it generates a full deck inside PowerPoint. So you don't have to go to a separate platform, not a PDF that you have to convert, a real editable PowerPoint file built from a single prompt. So first things first, head to the link in the description and sign up. It takes about 10 seconds. You can use your email, your Microsoft account, or your Google account. Once you're in, this is what you're gonna see. A single prompt box that says, let's create a PowerPoint. That's what we're gonna do. So type in what you need. I'm gonna ask it to build a sales presentation for a brand strategy agency like mine, and I'll include a few other details. If I want, I can upload files. I won't for this first example. So I'll hit the arrow to generate and we'll watch what happens. Now, before it builds, Templafy asks a few clarifying questions. What is this deck for? What should it drive? What tone should it take? And I'll answer. Potential clients, attracting consulting business in a mix of thought leadership and service pitch. These answers will help shape the output. The deck it builds for a workshop is obviously going to be different than what it builds for a sales conversation. So we are going to click Review Structure to move on to the next step. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before it creates a single slide, Templafy builds out the structure for your presentation first so you can see it working through the outline here in real time. This is like the blueprint before the slides are built. You can review it. You can also adjust it or add slides or sections, or you can do as I do and leave it as is. And when I'm ready, I'll click Create Presentation. Now we wait for about a minute or two while it builds everything that I've asked it for, slide by slide. And since this is a YouTube video, I'm gonna speed it up for you. Great, our presentation is ready to download as a PowerPoint file. So let's open it up and take a look. Wow, the slides come out looking finished. Of course, I'll need to add in a few other details here before I'm ready to ship it, but that's to be expected. It is not like a first draft that you need to spend an hour cleaning up. You've got structured, beautiful slides here. You've got real content, formatted layouts. This is not generic AI output. Trust me, I've tried a lot of these tools. Templafy is pulling from preset rules, approved content that you've provided, and a structured document engine built for professional output. You can obviously continue to make further edits, you can present it, or you can send it to your client. This is now yours. So here's what separates Templafy from a basic AI tool. It doesn't just generate slides, it generates slides that follow rules. Those are important. Before I type another prompt, I want to show you something. Click Theme, then Default next to the prompt box. This opens up the theme picker. Now you've got 3 great options to choose from out of the box: default, light, and dark. I'm going to switch to dark for this next deck so you can see the difference in the output. But notice also the option at the top, bring your own brand. I'm going to click that. And this is where you can learn more about the enterprise version of Templafy. In a full enterprise setup, your layouts, colors, fonts are all loaded centrally. So every presentation that anyone on your team generates pulls from those same brand assets automatically. That way, no one is picking a random color palette. No one uses last year's logo. The AI generates slides and the brand rules shape shape what those slides look like. I'm going to put the link to this page in the description if you're interested in learning more. Now, for the free version, we're working from these 3 clean layouts. I think that's enough to get a professional output for now. For the teams, though, that layer that makes Templafy different from every other AI presentation tool, definitely worth checking out. Let's go back to clicking the plus button in the bottom left corner of the prompt box. This opens a file upload. You saw it earlier. Templafy lets you upload a document as context. So it could be a Word file, a PDF, a spreadsheet. The AI reads it and uses that content to shape the deck that it builds. You don't need it, but I'm going to show you in this second example how you can upload a brand strategy brief and then ask Templafy to build a client pitch from it. So there I've entered my prompt and watch what comes next with our content. And while we wait for that, let me just quickly show you this document that has everything Templafy would need to build a real pitch, who I work with, my 3-phase methodology, and engagement details, including pricing. Don't worry, even if you don't have this much information, if you do, you might as well put it to work. Templafy here takes a few minutes to work its magic, preparing the structure, building the presentation, and then giving us that PowerPoint file to download. Let's take a look. Okay, slide 1 sets the positioning premium brand strategy for ambitious public-facing professionals. That came from the brief that I uploaded and showed you. Slide 3 makes the case for strategy before tactics, which is a great argument, structured into the slide. Scrolling through, you can see it followed the methodology in the document, and it followed it well. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, each of them broken into their own slide with the right amount of detail, not too much. And then slide 9 here, it handles the why us question. And then slide 10 leads with the results. Slide 11 closes with pricing and next steps. So an 11-slide pitch that I could send literally to a client today. I didn't write a word of this, but I uploaded a document where the content already existed that informed my output, typed a prompt, and Templafy did the rest. That is the whole point of this. You bring the thinking, Templafy builds the deck. Now I've been talking about speed, so let me actually show you what that looks like end to end. Let's talk about time. Templafy users saved an average of 30 days per year on document work. Do you hear that? 30 days per year. That's a full month of your working year handed back to you. BDO Canada, I mentioned them earlier, they tracked it down to the dollar. 120,000 documents generated in a single year, 1.6 million saved. Before Templafy, they were managing 24 versions of a single document type. After, the same document consolidated down to 4, generated automatically with the right content already built in. Adobe saw a 72% reduction in presentation build time across their sales teams. That's the difference between spending your day building decks and spending your day actually doing your job. Now here's the part that I want to make sure lands clearly. Templafy just released a free version of this platform, not a trial, not a watered down demo, a real working version that you can use today. Yes, head to the link in the description, sign up, type a prompt, choose a theme, generate. You get a real PowerPoint file that you can open, edit, and send. You don't have to worry about a trial or entering a credit card, and you get unlimited creations. So that's Templafy, an AI presentation platform that's been trusted by major enterprises for years, now available for free. If you build presentations for work like I do, for clients, or anything that needs to look professional, this is definitely worth trying. The link is in the description. Go generate something and let me know how it goes in the comments. Let me know what you think. I'll be reading and replying. If this video was useful for you, hit like, it helps other people discover these, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe if you are not already. Hello, I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.